Thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. My name is Jim, and this video is just basically a short video showing what my intentions are, how I'm going to join these buildings together, and basically it's going to be probably a long process over the summer, but the main thing right now is to get the floor done. So continue watching my channel, and we'll see how my progress goes along. And if you hit that subscribe button, that'd be really great, and I appreciate your viewing. Have a great day. So today's project is to work on the area between the two buildings. Going to well, I'll start the floor today. That window's coming out. This is going to be a hallway. That goes right into our master bedroom, and then into the kitchen. This will be our hallway, which will go into, that's going to be our living room. Storage, walk-in closet, and my area for my totes. Panel box will come out through the wall right there. All the wiring is behind that wall right now. That's where all the wiring will come out. And this wire is for the hallway, down the hallway to another switch on the other end. And this wiring here is going to be for the closet. There you have it. That's today's project. Work on the floor anyways. I'm not going to finish today, but that's what we're going to start. That's where we're going to start. We'll see how it goes. Well, we're getting a little closer. There she is so far. I had to cut the siding apart right there so I could see the level of the floor. I want to make sure I got the right floor level, and that's going to be, of course, our hallway. And that window comes out. Got some reinforcements under there, some there, to the far end. I'll also be reinforcing it underneath both buildings on both sides. So, it was a good productive day. I didn't get started till late because I was busy spending time with my wife. She fell and hurt her back, her ribs the other day, so I've been sort of spending time with her. But there it is, so it's coming together.